Hey everyone, so here's interesting app called Reclip, your second chance to save. So here's the app, pretty cool. It's being developed a lot, and it's a really interesting concept. So Reclip catches the unexpected moments in life, so you can decide to save anything after it happens. So that funny thing your friend said or compliment you got, a great idea you just had. Reclip's got it if you want to clip it. Leave Reclip open to hold on to audio from your phone's microphone. When something happens you want to save or share with friends, just go to the app and tap to clip what just went down. But don't wait, anything you don't clip is erased automatically after 2 minutes. It's like an instant replay in real life or really short time machine. Like, so the thing is, like, you just give this app access to a microphone in it, and it just basically listens to everything you're saying, but then deletes it after 2 minutes. So it's like, a lot of people don't want to use it because it's basically you let this app to record everything you're saying. Of course, only when you enable it, only when you want, but still, it's like, it's intrusion to your privacy, but it's kind of fun when you start to use it. So you can obviously just disable it when you don't want, but when you have some conversation with your friends or something, you can just enable it and then use it and then clip any moment. So basically, let's just try it out. I'll try to show you. Um, so here it is. You need obviously to give access to your microphone, get notified, give access to your contacts, and then that's basically, you can also give access to your camera. So for example, here it is, just, and then you have chat. So here is a chat. You can add your friends, you can invite your friends. Just on the sofa, and then basically, I guess, so as you can see, when I exited the app, it starts listening here in the microphone. Here's a fun conversation moment. Haha, here is a joke. So then I just basically tap my here is a joke. Haha, here is a joke. And then basically you see I just so I just took a photo and then I select a specific moment from audio recordings, and then I can also trim it, add some captions. I can edit those, and then haha, here is a joke. So something like that. Obviously, I'm just lying on my sofa trying it out. So, and then you can just share it. You can share it with your friends, or you can just save it. You can send a link. Here is how the link will look like. Reclip.app, and then this is like the link to that. So that's basically the idea of it. So that's, haha, here is a joke. And it's really nice. It's adding all these captions, and then you can just send the link to your contacts or on Snapchat, wherever you want. So that's the app. Like, when it's really nice when when you're with friends hanging out or something, and you're using this app, and someone said something really funny, and you really have audio recording of it, and then you just attach a picture and share it on Snapchat. It's pretty cool. So that can be quite nice, and then it automatically creates some of the clips just for you, as I understand. So that's basically the idea. And then you have your profile. You can change your name. Um, oops. You can add friends. You can go in the chat, just add friends, invite friends. So basically, that's the idea of the app, as I understand it. Uh, like then important thing is that then when you close the app, it's just automatically still starts to recording you. So I don't know, if I just close it, swipe it up, then it kind of stops. So if you exit this way, then it doesn't record you anymore. So just swipe up the app and then it should be good. So something like that is just like my quick overview. Try it out.